Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for really reasonably priced earrings that are nice and light and comfortable, or even to give as little simple gifts, I would highly recommend this 9-pair set by FIFATA. These are acrylic and rattan earrings, and they came in a cute little container like this, which makes it really easy to keep it organized. Now, originally, all of the earrings come in little packages like this, which makes it nice if you do want to give them as gifts. And take a look at the different types of earrings that they have. So I've given some of them away as gifts. These ones are super cute. They're pink and gold and incredibly light. I like these tan and black ones. They're hoops, and also the dark green. Now, what I like is no matter how big they are, they're just incredibly light. I love the material that they're made out of, and they just have very different styles. These tropical leaves are super cute as well. These are made out of rattan, which even though they're large, they're comfortable and incredibly light. There's 9 pairs that will go with different types of outfits, or you can give them as a gift. I think it's a great idea. I really like them. I'm glad I got them, and that's my point of view.